everyone, my name is Ngina. I am the CEO and founder of Miss Clean. Miss Clean is a cleaning company that specializes in professional cleaning services, both domestic and commercial. Miss Clean has been in operation for the last 12 years. Our focus has been mainly in corporate and also individuals, that is homes and residential places. We are located in Nairobi and we also serve Kenya at large. Our services are divided into two: domestic cleaning and commercial cleaning. Under domestic, we have carpet cleaning, sofa set cleaning, mattress cleaning, spring cleaning, washroom destaining, housekeeping services, fumigation, and pest control. Under commercial cleaning services, we do office cleaning, that is one-off or contractual, carpet cleaning, floor care, sanitary bins supply, post-construction cleaning, after construction cleaning, pre or post-tenancy cleaning, fumigation, car care, and interior wash. Have you ever been invited in a meeting in a boardroom and by the time you're done, you're all dusty in your arms? Have you ever arrived in your office and by the time you arrive there, you don't know where to place your stuff? Why? Because the desk was very dusty. As a company, we provide support staff to make sure that your office is cleaned thoroughly in the morning before any activity starts, as well as managing and taking care and hosting all your clients and your staff during the day. Did you know that rodents and insects do carry diseases? They infest your kitchens, bedrooms. Some pests like termites do cause serious damages to your properties. Before you start counting on losses, count on Miss Clean. Did you know that sweat can cause mold growth? What about the spillage and particles around your sofas and your carpets? They are perfect breeding grounds for molds and germs. Consider cleaning your sofas, carpets, mattresses at least twice a year and disinfect them to make sure that you keep a safe environment. When is the last time you did deep cleaning? What is deep cleaning? Thank you for asking. As a company, we have mastered the art of breathing freshness into your spaces. What do we do when you come to do deep cleaning for your houses? We scrub all the floors with commercial machines and we have all the polishes for all types of floors. We do washroom cleaning, removing all the stains that you have in your washrooms. We make sure that we dust your bedrooms and your wardrobes and arrange them really neatly so that you can actually just pick everything that you need at a glance. In the kitchen, we make sure that we clean with heavy detergents and the right detergents to remove all the oil residues due to long-term and prolonged cooking. We do not forget the windows. We do clean them inside and outside and all the eye windows that you've not been able to reach. Call us at Miss Clean. We clean, you shine. Today, we would like to take you through the process of how we are currently serving our clients because cleaning is no longer cleaning as usual. We have a client who is moving offices and renovating their new office. As such, they called us because they needed Miss Clean services to help them get their office ready for use. After we receive a client's call, we normally schedule a site visit. In this site visit, what we do is to make sure that we ascertain the number of staff that we need to do the work and also the time needed to do the work. We need to figure out also the detergents that needed to be used in the site and also any other advice that we can give to the client. Like right now during this pandemic, we're also helping clients to make sure that they install automatic dispensers, they have thermometers and they have disinfectants and also sanitizers and the right detergents because it's not just any detergent that is fit for cleaning. After the site visit, we send a quotation to the client for approval. After the quotation is approved, we go ahead to deliver the service as agreed. Once all the work is done, we normally get feedback from the client, of course, as we receive our payment and give advice on maintenance of hygiene levels in the office and also keep on checking over and over again to make sure that our client is okay. As we all know that the world is experiencing a pandemic, as a company, we decided to innovate towards complying with the regulations that have been set aside by the Ministry of Health in the fight against COVID-19. Ministry of Health was continuously announcing and the things that people needed to do, from washing hands, sanitizing, and staying home and staying safe and keeping distance and disinfection. And then I realized there was an untapped market about disinfection. So disinfection is done after you've done cleaning. And this is done to supplement the sanitization that we've been doing. In that, disinfection can be done even in bigger spaces, like an office. You can't sanitize an office. You cannot sanitize a compound where people are working, or you cannot sanitize a whole home and a whole compound. You cannot sanitize. But what is it that you can do very efficiently, quickly, and effectively to make sure that you sanitize that space? It is disinfection. And yes, it's been working. We've been disinfecting most offices that where people are coming back. We've advising people to do disinfection at least once a week. If it's a home, you can actually just buy for your own home use. It's very important, and that's what we have been doing. We are really happy that you're helping also the government to on the fight against COVID-19. The new normal is here. Have you adjusted to live with it? I'd like to share with you some of the measures that you need to put in place to make sure that your office or your workspace is secure and safe for all. You will need to establish an hand washing station with automatic dispenser that can dispense sanitizer or hand washing cream. Your staff who are cleaning your office may need to be equipped with PPE, the protective gears, to make sure that they are protected during the cleaning and during maintaining cleanliness in your office. You will need a thermoscan to check temperature for everyone walking into your office, and your offices need to be disinfected at least once a week. Why would you choose Miss Clean? We have been in business for the last 12 years and a wealth of experience. We offer personalized services with prompt delivery. We have a well-experienced and trained team. We use environmentally friendly detergents, and we have a variety of services that warrant value for money. Our target market includes and not limited to real estate companies, architects, quantity surveyors, interior designers, parastatals and government offices, institutions like banks and schools. Some of our clients include Embassy of Korea, Embassy of Ghana, Ministry of Planning and Devolution, State Department of Urban Development, Sports Kenya, LG, among many others. Our ask is NGOs, corporates and companies that are opening up the offices already in existence that are looking forward to installing and making sure that they put in place the regulations that have been set by the Ministry of Health. Thank you so much, BNI members, for your support. I really appreciate, and thank you also for watching this 10 minutes presentation video.
I'm Masin Zola, CEO Wellness for Life, and today I want to talk about Miss Clean. I have worked with them for the last 3 years, and I can say I have never been disappointed.
She cleaned my sofa seats. I was able to use them the same day they finished cleaning.
These sofas on mine were very dirty. My 2 kids had poured milk, soup and even water. I called Miss Clean and they came on time and they washed these seats and they became super clean and brand new.
Last year when I went for Christmas, they also fumigated my house, and I can say I have not had a problem with pests. I have also referred them to my family and friends, and I can say they always are receiving referrals from them because they do an excellent job.
I highly recommend Miss Clean for all their cleaning services. Good, excellent job.
I would not hesitate to recommend Miss Clean.
They clean, you shine.